2013-329, State of Arkansas versus Dylan Cox on the charges of possession of a Schedule II controlled substance, OxyContin, Class D felony, possession of a drug paraphernalia, Class A misdemeanor, possession of a Schedule VI controlled substance, marijuana, also a Class A misdemeanor. How does the defendant now plead?
Not guilty, Your Honor. We'd waive formal arraignment.
This matter is set on the Division 4 docket. That's this court's docket, and will be scheduled for trial July 7th and 8th by a written scheduling order that will be formally entered. The next appearance on that scheduling order will be set down as April 3rd of 2014. Anything else to be taken up today?
No, sir.
All right.
Thank you.
You may be excused.
Appreciate that.
The court calls 2014-5 State of Arkansas versus Kimberly Cremines. Ms. Cremines appears for purposes of arraignment on charges of possession of drug paraphernalia, Class D felony, theft by receiving, Class D felony, possession of firearm by a certain person, Class D felony, possession of Schedule VI controlled substance, marijuana, Class A misdemeanor.
Your Honor, to all those charges, our office would enter a plea of not guilty and waive formal arraignment reading of the charges.
Court's making the formal appointment of the Public Defender's Office. Notes the plea of not guilty on the record. This case is assigned to the Division 3 docket of Judge Putman. I'll set it down for reappearance on January 23rd.
And I would like to address the issue of bonds, of bond and Ms. Crimmins. Judge, I believe her bond has been set at $25,000.
Yes.
Your Honor, she has a residence that she can go to, a permanent residence that is actually owned by her husband, who is a co-defendant in this action. He is not going to be getting out today, Your Honor, because he is on a parole violation. The address that she has is 63 County Road 1591 in Corning.
Arkansas.
Judge, her criminal history would reflect that she did have a conviction, but that conviction is 13 years old. Your Honor, we would ask for a bond reduction of a substantial amount from the $25,000. I don't believe that this woman is a threat to society, and I have no information that at this point that she would not be someone who would regularly show up for her appointments with me and appear in this court. I believe that she would, Judge.
What says the state?
I don't oppose some reasonable bond reduction. It troubles me she's staying in a different county, but I'd like to know how she's going to support herself. She have a job, what's her income sources?
I have my inheritance is coming. I've been living on the little bits that we've been getting from her.
And apparently she has some inheritance from a relative, and so she does have some income that is coming in. I don't believe that. I'm sure Mr. Kincaid's question is intended to ask if she's going to have to commit a crime to support herself, and the answer would be no.
I'd just like to know if she can pay her utility bills and feed herself.
I work kind of part-time at a couple different bars, tending bar.
In that area?
In that area.
So you're from
That's,
there?
that's Clay County, correct?
Mhm.
Yeah. It's a good distance away, but at least it's within the state of Arkansas. I'm gonna set the bond at $10,000 based on